Good morning and welcome to our magical garden. As you can see, today I'm going to be mulching. But can you guess how many wheelbarrow loads it will take to shift all of this mulch? Wait until the end of the video to see if you guessed right. So reason number 2, mulch protects the roots of plants, shielding them from extreme temperatures and drying conditions. Reason number 3, as organic mulch breaks down, it provides nutrients, structure and fertility to the soil. Reason number 4 for using mulch is that it reduces weeds. It blocks the sunlight from getting to the weeds and prevents them from growing. So just a few days ago, this whole bed was full of weeds. Watch my weeding video to see me clear it. And I then planted this beautiful Ito peony. So reason number 5, mulching helps the soil to retain water, which reduces evaporation and keeps the surface of the soil cool, which is critical for plant health. And some people say it also attracts fairies. Number 6, mulch helps to moderate soil temperatures, keeping them cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which is beneficial to plant growth. So reason number 7 is the way mulch makes your landscape look finished. Along with good edges for your grass, it really makes an aesthetically pleasing finished look for your garden. Reason 8, mulch provides a habitat for beneficial organisms, earthworms, insects, etc., which then promote a healthy soil ecosystem. Number 9, mulch can help with soil erosion by preventing runoff of water. So you can see what's happened here because these hydrangeas are planted on a slight slope. Their roots have become exposed. So by putting mulch on them, it can help prevent water runoff, also protect their roots. Oh, and see what I mean about mulch attracting fairies? And so, number 10, mulch improves the health of the soil by promoting microorganisms and thereby improving the structure of the soil. And you're probably wondering, how many wheelbarrows did I fill? The answer to that, 42. Did you guess correctly? Leave a comment. And if you'd like more content like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. The act of mulching brings you close to the ground. It's a slow process, and it causes you to not just look at your garden, but to really see your garden, which is what gardening is all about.